And it is not just India that has now reacted to the situation escalating between Thailand and Cambodia. US President too has now stepped in, saying that he is personally reaching out to both the countries to press for an immediate ceasefire. In a post that he shared on his social media platform, Trump said the call with Cambodia has ended, but expects to call back regarding the war stoppage and ceasefire based on what Thailand has to say. I'm simply trying to simplify a complex situation here. This is the statement that's coming in from the US President Donald Trump on the situation that's now escalating between Cambodia and Thailand. The US President also added that the call to Thailand's leadership was being made momentarily. Donald Trump reacting to the situation that's now escalating between Cambodia and Thailand. In fact, the conflict which began earlier has now involving jets, tanks, artillery and ground troops as well. UNSC also called an emergency meet on the same. Along the disputed border, over 138,000 people have been evacuated along the border. Meanwhile, 35,000 have been displaced on the Cambodian side. And when we talk about the fatalities that have so far taken place, from the Thailand side, about 13 people have died. Meanwhile, on the Thai side, about 20 people have lost their lives.